Hey guys, you know that the Coach outlet recently had a drop of the Peanuts collection handbags. Well, if you don't have a chance to go to the Coach outlet to pick up a handbag, how about a character pillow? An official character Peanuts pillow at that. Yes, I found this cute pillow at Marshall's, and it has the official Peanuts tag on there and over here as well. This pillow was found for under $20. It is adorable, guys. It has the blue. This is actually a really dark blue cap, his eyes, his ears. He has his baseball bat. He has on his official uniform to go play. Now, the back of this is just all white, but it's that really pretty, fluffy material. I think this was so adorable. Here's the official tag. You can find these at Marshall's. Look at that price, guys. You can't beat it. I thought it was so cute. It's kind of thick. Love it. Look how thick that is. It is so adorable. Go get you one.